Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone stuck on phone is restarting. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I was using my phone normally and it suddenly turned off. I guess maybe the battery is low or the system crashed, so I put it on charge. When I try to turn on my phone, it reboots, shows the phone logo, then says phone is starting. I thought it needed some time to start and boot up. However, my Android phone is stuck on phone is starting and has been like that for 2 hours. All I see is a black screen saying phone is starting and the line below keeps loading continuously without keeping forward. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone gets stuck on phone is starting when unlocking, after updating Android OS, or after a restart. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the startup problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. The battery has little power. The solution here is to charge Android phone with a good cable and charger. Commonly, when your device gets stuck on the startup and keeps saying phone is starting, it could just mean the battery is dead. Plug in your Android phone and wait a few minutes or longer, like an hour. To ensure a healthy charging, make sure to use the official charging cable and charge to do the charging and clean the debris from the charging port if any. Then, take a look to see if your phone unfreezes the phone is starting screen and move on to boot up. Cause 2. Android OS update failure. The solution here is to force Android phone to reboot. Multiple users end up with the phone stuck on phone is starting just after updating the Android OS version. A simple force restart is a great place to start to fix such startup issues. Rest assured that doing a force restart will not corrupt or delete any data stored on your phone. To give an idea of the way force restart works, let's walk through this simple procedure. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone. Wait a few seconds. The message phone is starting stuck on Android phone should disappear and the device will boot up correctly. Cause 3. Accumulated system cache hinders the boot up. The solution here is to wipe cache partition in recovery mode. When the issue of a phone stuck at phone is starting occurs during the boot up process after the device is used for a long time, the culprit could be the tons of system cache. The wipe cache partition function can help you solve the problem. This will not affect any of your saved data. 2. To give an idea of the way wipe cache partition works, let's walk through this simple procedure. Shut down your Android phone first. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. Then, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. In recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and use the power button to select it. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and use the power button to select it. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and use the power button to select it. If your Android phone is stuck on first time startup and frozen on the phone is starting screen, move to the next solution. Cause 4. Unsafe apps stop the boot process. The solution here is to find out and delete all problematic apps. Third-party apps with bugs can interfere with the startup operations, rendering your Android phone stuck on phone is starting and not turning on properly. Just go to find and remove the apps. No need to panic if you can't enter the phone and delete apps on the home screen, because the phone has a safe mode making it simple to remove apps. To give an idea of the way safe mode works, let's walk through this simple procedure. Turn off the Android phone, press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see the recovery mode. Among the given options from the menu, choose safe mode using the volume button and power button. Your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If it manages to bypass the phone is starting screen and load the home screen saying safe mode message at the bottom, it's possible that some unsafe apps lead to the startup issue. For that, find out and delete all problematic apps that should take charge of the stuck phone is starting screen on Android phone. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. See if your Android phone now boots past the phone is starting screen and loads the lock screen successfully. Cause 5. A virus attacks the device. The solution here is to wipe the Android phone. Let's walk through this simple procedure. Turn off your Android phone and plug it into a Windows computer. Now, press some buttons to enter recovery mode to reset and fix stuck phone is starting screen on an Android phone. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. If you manage to access recovery to wipe all the phone data and get Android phone out of the stuck phone is starting screen, the virus attack or corrupted files could be at fault. Cause 6. Water damage or physical damage. The solution here is to take the phone to the service center. A factory reset can resolve most kinds of software problems. If your Android phone keeps saying phone is restarting after the reset, it may likely be a hardware issue. For instances, a faulty power button, broken screen, a defective battery and so on. In these cases, contact device manufacturer or reach out to nearby phone service counter where they will be able to help you further. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone stuck on phone is starting screen, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.